Hello folks, Dr. Michael Breen here with healthytransformations.ca. The Healthy Transformations program is run by myself and Christopher Lawrence. If you're having issues related to your health, overweightness, obesity, and really are looking for change, the Healthy Transformations is really the program that will help you get past these issues. I want to take a couple minutes and talk about a concept called Phyto Nutrition. Phyto, P-H-Y-T-O, and it means plant is really what it boils down to. One thing that's been consistent in nutritional science for at least 3 decades, it's probably more like 4 or 5 decades, is that plant-based diets have consistently demonstrated themselves to be those that lead to better health outcomes. Now, plant-based doesn't necessarily mean vegetarian. It means that a predominance of the volume of the food that you're getting is actually coming from plant sources. Now, what's interesting about this is that science that has developed since the year 2000, maybe 2005, has in fact identified why this may be the case. And it boils down to these chemicals that are generally very, very broad classification, but called phytonutrients. So nutritional-based chemicals that come from plant sources. What's been identified? Dr. Jeffrey Bland, who is the leader of the Personalized Lifestyle Medicine Institute and one of the very, very top researchers in the field of functional medicine, was involved in this research back in the early 2000s. And in fact stated that in his career, this was probably the single most important scientific discovery that he had been involved with. And that was the identification of this, that these chemicals that come from plants get into our bodies after we consume plant-based materials. It's digested. The phytonutrients are expressed with the help of the microbiome. They travel throughout our body and they go to cells. And these phytonutrients actually initiate a series of biochemical events in the cell that actually lead directly to genetic influence. And that is big stuff. The phytonutrients attach to the cells then respond to the presence of the phytonutrients. They use that information to send signals to the nucleus, which is where the genes and the DNA of our body resides, and this influence leads to positive health outcomes. The importance of this can't be overstated. It is a big, big deal. What is the bottom line? We need to actually consume significant amounts of plant-based material to be able to drive the effect where our genetic potential is expressed through the food that we eat. You'll learn all about that stuff in the Healthy Transformations program, and we would be very, very happy to help you out. So go to the website and sign up for one of the workshops, and we'd be happy to help you out.